It's my pleasure to present the tournament report. The CBSE Cluster 5 tournament was inaugurated on 5th October. The inaugural ceremony was presided over by Dr. Ranganath, the principal of Adiman Engineering College, Hosur. The event was officially inaugurated by the lighting of the lamp, which was followed by flag hoisting, and the inaugural report was read. The spectators were entertained through a cultural bonanza consisting of a song and a western dance. The inaugural report of the tournament report was presented, and this was followed by a cultural show. The students of various schools marched in coordination to the beat of the drum. The tournament was declared open by the chief guest by releasing a dove. After listening to the valuable words of the chief guest, the athletes swung into action. No event is complete without a cultural show. Now, let's get ready to be mesmerized. Music, the very word, instills stirring emotion deep inside one's heart and creates a profound impact. It holds control over one and extends its sway in every phase of life. Now, let's tune your ears to a catchy number. Wasn't that a beautiful rendition? The doves that you saw in the middle of the ground are the Maragada Pura, the traditional bird of Tamil Nadu, representing peace.